Hi, greeting to all. Today we are going to learn another metric. How to multiply any number by 9, 99, 999 and so on. Here you can see 3 questions and I am going to give you 5 seconds. Try to come up with the answers. Are you ready? Time starts now. Did you get the answers like this? Let us look at the first one. The answer is 457,774,218. And the second one, 5,431,994,568. And the third one, 233,766. If you get the answers like this, that means you have done a great job. If you did not get the answers, it's time to learn the trick. Now, here I created some rules for doing these kinds of problems. But I'm not going to explain right now. I will explain the rules with the examples so you can clearly understand. So, here you can see 3 questions. I made these questions because I want you to understand how to do any kind of problems. So the first problem, let us look at that. The number of digits of the first number is equal to the number of nines. That's the first problem. And the second one, the number of digits of the first number is less than the number of nines. And the third problem, the number of digits of the first number is more than the number of nines. These are the 3 situations we will be dealing with. What does it mean? So let us look at the first one. You can see here 4,567 times 9,999. You look at how many nines are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 nines. Am I right? And how many digits in that number? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. They are equal. So the number of digits are equal. That's the first condition. First type of problem. And the second type, you can see here we have 3 digits and here we have 4 digits. So the number or the multiplicand has less digits. Okay, and the next situation where we have 5 digit and the next one has 4 digit. So the multiplicand has more digits because it's 5 digits. Am I right? So these are the 3 situations we will be dealing with. So now let us look how to solve these problems. Let's look at the first problem. What is the rule? The first one is create a box. How to create box? So what you have to look is, we have to check how many nines are there. We have 4 nines. We discussed that. So we have to start from the ones place of the multiplicand and you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. When they are equal, then create a box. Let us look at the second problem. You know that we have 4 nines. So when you are looking at the multiplicand, start from the ones place, start counting 1, 2, 3. We need 4 digits. So we don't have 4 digits. So just add a 0 there. Then you create a box. Okay. Now let us look at the next one. When you are looking, how many nines are there? We have 4 nines. So you have to start from the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we create a box. I hope you understand how to create a box. Now let's look at the next one. We are going to look at next 2 parts of the rule. That is, add 1 to the number outside the box and subtract it from the original number. and write the answer as first few digits of the product. So what we have to do is, you have to look outside the box. Can you see any digits outside the box? We have no digit in the first problem, am I right? So just add a 0 there. What about the second one? Do you have any digits outside? Nothing. So just add a 0 there. And what about the third problem? Do you have any digits outside? Yes, you can see number 4 there. Okay, so we have a number here. So what they are saying is, add 1 to the number outside the box. Let's add 1 to each question. Okay, so I add 1 here outside the box, add 1 outside the box, add 1 outside the box. Then what is 0 plus 1? What is answer we will get? When you are doing 0 plus 1, we get 1. Then we subtract 1 from this number. So the original number, that's 4,567 minus 1. What is answer we will get? 4,566. We get the answer like that. Now the second one, when you are looking 0 plus 1, that's 1. So you have to subtract 1 from this one. When you subtract 1, what is answer? 456 minus 1. The answer is 455. We get like this. And the next one, you have, when you add 4 plus 1, we will get the answer 5. Yes. So you have to subtract 5 from 45,678. So what is answer we will get? 45,673. We get the answers like this. Now let us look at the next rule. What is the next one we have to do? Subtract all digits inside the box from 9 except the last digit. Let us look at the next one. Subtract the last digit inside the box from 10. And the last one, write it as the remaining digits of the answer. So what we have to do is very simple. We have to write 9. Okay, so we just write 9. 1, 2, 3. What is the last digit? That's 7. Just put a 10 there on the top. Now we have to subtract. So what is 9 minus 4? We get 5. What is 9 minus 5? We get 4. What is 9 minus 6? We get 3. And what is 10 minus 7? We get also 3. So we got the answer already. Now let us look at the second problem. Let's do that. So we have to write 9, 9, 9, and the last digit we have to write 10. So what is 9 minus 0? We get 9. What is 9 minus 4? We get 5. What is 9 minus 5? We get 4. What is 10 minus 6? We get 4. So we get the answer already. So we finish that. Let's do the last one. We have to write 9. We are talking only inside the box. Yes. So inside the box, that's 9, 9, 9, 10. What is 9 minus 5? That is 4. 9 minus 6, that is 3. 9 minus 7, that is 2. And 10 minus 8, that is 2. So we get the answer. So can you tell me the answer? So first one, we get the answer 45,665,433. And the second one, we will get the answer 4,559,544. And the last one, 456,734,322. This is the answer we will get. I hope you understand the rule very well. Now let's try 2 more examples. Are you ready? 359 times 9. So we have to memorize the rule now. So you have to look how many digits here. So we have only 1 digit. So let's make the box. So we already created the box. Okay. And what is the number outside the box? That's 35. You have to add 1. What is 35 plus 1? 36. Now we have to subtract 36 from here. So what is 359 minus 36? So you get the answer 323. We get like this. Now you have to look inside the box. Yes. Okay, we have to subtract from, if there is only 1 digit, we have to subtract from 10. So that's 10 minus 9. What is 10 minus 9? 1. We got the answer 3,231. Now let's look at the second problem. 7,854 times 999,999. So now you look, how many nines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nines. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4 digits here. So we have to add 2 more digits. So just add 2 zeros. So I just made the box now. What is the number we have to put outside the box? That's 0. What is the next step? Add 1. Then we subtract from the number. Am I right? So what is 0 plus 1? That's 1. So subtract from this one. What is the answer we will get? 7,853. We get like this. Now what is the next step? We have to subtract 9 from all digits except the last one. 999. 9. What about the last one? We have to subtract from 10. Yes, so I write 10 here. Now let's write the answer. So what is 9 minus 0? That's 9 minus 0, that's 9. 9 minus 0, that's 9. 9 minus 7, that's 2. 9 minus 8, that's 1. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 10 minus 4, that is 6. So we get the answer. Now let's put some. So what is the answer we'll get? That is 7,853,992,146. I hope you understand this one. Now here you can see one question. Write yourself. Okay, 123,456,789 times 999,999,999. Write as a comment below. Like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.